Every now and again, somebody from outside of the Aussie online entrepreneurs will contact me and ask me if I would mind taking a look at their product because it, for whatever reason, isn't selling. Now, this product I'm going to do a critique on, along with some of the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs, is a great one. There's some really great things that you could learn to help your own business grow on Amazon or indeed any platform that you're choosing to sell on. So strap in. I've got a really, really good video for you all about making things sell more. With that said, let's go. This particular person wants a critique of their business. Another brand page. Yeah, brand store page. Look where it was. It was right at the very, very top, and it's still there now. Okay, at the very, very top. Anyway, super, super cool. Good marketing you can do with them. They want a critique of their business. The product is not selling. They want to know why it's not selling. Please help. Over to you. Who's got some ideas about why this product is not selling and how to make it better? This product has got 3 ratings. This one up here has got 7,000 ratings. I think you're confusing the two. This particular product here has got 3 ratings. So you could argue it needs more ratings. I've got no idea what it is, says Cass. I can tell you from previously looking at this particular niche, the demand for these baby blankets is defies belief for me. How many people want them? Because they're a super easy present to buy for a mum for a baby shower where you don't really know the mum that well, but you've been invited to the baby shower. This is like buying candles, you know what I mean? It's that sort of present. Candles purchased by people who don't really know you that well, but want a very, very low risk gift to buy you. If you think it's important to think about who is the buyer of the product and what is the relationship of the buyer to the receiver of the product, because the buyer is not always the same thing, frequently not the same thing. Gift ready box. Eye soothing. That's a very peculiar way of describing something, isn't it? Tracking and capturing your baby's growth. Memories are forever to mark and capture your baby's growth. Rather, tracking and capturing your baby's growth. Again, that's a very weird way of saying that, isn't it? I feel like whoever wrote this listing, English is not their first language, and they kind of just used Google Translate, and it didn't translate very well. That's what I feel like happened here. The images are not in any way, shape, or form associated to the bullet points, and the bullet points and the images should absolutely track, to use their language, track each other. Product description is very unclear. Surely having a baby on the image would help it sell. Totally, yeah. So would you wrap the baby in the image? I mean, you can test all sorts of different cool stuff, but that doesn't even really look like a blanket, does it? I mean, it doesn't even really look like a blanket. And I'm sure if that was in the search engine results being shown to you, it would absolutely not look like a blanket in the search engine results. Still, this idea of tracking and capturing, it's like they're selling it to computer programmers, maths geeks or something. Baby blanket for maths geeks. But that's actually not a bad image, that one there with the baby lying on it. That one too. Perfect gift for the baby shower. It is a perfect gift for a baby shower. Pretty simple, low risk gift that you can be fairly assured. Now, here's going to be interesting. Look, here's what everybody else is doing to sell theirs. Baby in image. This is something I haven't seen before. I think these are all using brand registry to sell their products. We'll go and check it out in a second. And as a result of that, they're getting to put images, videos with image thumbnails here that are extremely make you want to click. I mean, compared to that, where there's no kind of like, oh, let's go and watch a video, much different. You don't get a sense of the size until you actually see the thing. I think we're right here with what Dave was saying. These are much better overall images. Seems expensive compared to the competitors. I will tell you one thing I've discovered is that people have got a present value that they assign to you. So if somebody's thinking of buying you a present, they will have a value that your relationship, this is horrible to say, but it's true, that your relationship warrants in their heads. Oh, you're a $20 gift, you're a $50 gift, you're a $100 gift, you're a $1,000 gift. You've got a value placed upon you by the giver of the gift, and they have purchased a gift commensurate with that value they placed upon you. Okay, so the price, therefore, $65. I don't know what the rest of these things sell for, but if that's at the top end of the marketplace, then that supposes you would imagine that the increasing cost would denote an increase in relationship between the giver and the receiver. Okay, that would normally be the case. Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.